Arrange hair cutting tools. Wash your hair before you cut it. Your hair will be easier to work with. If it's clean and snarl-free, get your hair. Run the comb through your hair. And work out any knots with the comb. Section your hair into parts. Run the back though your hair right about your head curves, then comb the hair between the part and the ear down. Take a screenshot of the pic. Mark on your head for using different size of clipper guards as per your desired style. If you have long hair, firstly trim with scissor. Do this on both sides to section of both sides of your head. If your hair is too enough, you can use scissor and comb. Cut one side of the head at a time. Use a low clipper guard around sides and with the blade's edge trim from the bottom of the sides to the top. Do this same on the other side. After cutting your sides, trim the back of your head from the bottom to the top as you did with the sides to make sure you are cutting evenly. To even out fades between cuts, go over the lower half of your hair with your clipper set to a shorter setting. Lift your hair as you approach your temples and earlobes. Work slowly while using clipper to ensure as even of a fade as possible. Instead of clippers will help you make more precise cuts and give your hair more texture. Don't use household scissors to cut your hair as they aren't sharp enough to properly cut hair, so you're more likely to make mistakes. Trim the top in sections. Use your fingers or a comb to raise the hair from the top of your head. These should be parallel to the front of your hairline as you trim. Pull a little of the previously cut section into the new section as a traveling guideline. After cutting your hair, rinse it in the shower to remove any strays. Towel dry, then part it with a comb and style it as you usually would. Style your hair immediately after cutting it.